Is it raining outside, Aaron? You can't run in the rain. Don't you know when you run in the rain, you can die? You've got exactly 4.7 seconds. That is all you have to make a decision, turn it into a commitment, and do something about it. Take MAIA. Why? Because after that time, your brain wants to do everything in its power to get you to go back to normality. Now, here's the reality. The reality is your brain is designed to make you survive and not to thrive. Change equals possible risk. Risk equals possible danger. And danger equals possible death. That's how your brain works. Risk, danger, death. Change, risk, danger, death. Change, risk, danger, death. Change, risk, danger, death. It doesn't like to die. So here's what you need to know. Your brain will do everything in its power to talk you out of decisions and commitments that you need to make. You've ever woken up before and said, I'm going to get up early. That's it. I'm going to do it. You set your alarm half an hour early, an hour early to exercise. You wake up, your alarm goes off. You go, oh. You look at your alarm, you turn it off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4.7 seconds. Boom. You should stay in bed. You should sleep longer. You've had a big night. You've earned it. You go to sleep. It happens, doesn't it? Right? It doesn't. Your brain wants to talk you out of it, right? Right? You're not broken. You are a human, right? We've got 4.7 seconds before our brain says no. It's been proven that that's how long you have. So you've got to take action. As soon as you can, before 4.7 seconds, train your brain to say, yep, I'm going to do that. I can do that. And stop talking yourself out of all the changes you know you need to make.